Hello dear students. In our previous video we started our chapter number 1, that is solid state, and we already completed to the types of solid in molecular solids, metallic solids, covalent solids and ionic solids. In further lecture, today we are going to discuss crystal lattice and unit cell. What do you mean by crystal lattice? The three-dimensional arrangement of atom, molecule or ion, and that all are connected with each other and forming a three-dimensional structure, that is called crystal lattice. The arrangement in crystal lattice are of two types. One is the atoms are arranged in a similar way, horizontally and vertically. This is one type. And in second type, the second layer is not similar as first layer. Two type of atoms arrangement are possible in crystal lattice. If we want to generate a specific pattern, then we take one example. When the flooring of our house takes place, when the fitting of tiles is taken place in our home, when the tiles are connected with each other and at a specific point you put one example or you put one point, after connection of all point one pattern is generated, and that pattern is generated by that symbol or sign which is put by you, that is called motif. That is called motif. Suppose I take motif as this symbol. This symbol is my motif. I put that symbol on every element or atom, so you will see one specific pattern is generated in our crystal lattice. All the motifs are in a same direction, and if I put that motif on every atom, so you will surely see one definite pattern or design. This is called crystal lattice. I am giving you one example of NaCl. In NaCl, two ions are present, Na plus and Cl minus. This Na plus is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ion and forming a closed pack cubic structure. So that cubic structure is known as crystal lattice. And what is the meaning of unit cell? These all symbols of motif, number of motifs are there to generated for the pattern, but you taking only one section, suppose from whole lattice you will take any small atom which is known as unit cell. This unit cell is represented by this is our simple cubic cell structure. This simple cubic cell structure, these all corners are connected with lattice point. This every dot is known as lattice point. If we cut this lattice in a 3 different layer, one is from vertical and another is from horizontal, and our third one is from the center of this parallel line. You will see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 small cube generated on upper part of the layer, and 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th 4 another parts are generated in below the middle layer. So this one part which is highlighted over here is known as unit cell. This one highlighted part is known as unit cell. When this unit cell is repeatedly connected to each other and forming a specific design is known as lattice structure. If we want to give the identity to any crystal lattice, there are 6 parameters for identification. A, B and C, alpha, beta and gamma. A, B and C are used for edges and alpha, beta and gamma for corners. Before we are going in detail, you must know the basic of this simple cell. How many corners, faces, edges are present in this simple cubic cell? So keep in mind that 8 corners, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, 12 edges. Edges means this vertical and horizontal and triangle, all edges you can calculate, that will be 12, and 6 planes or faces. With the combination of 8 corner, 12 edges and 6 planes, you will get one simple unit cell. How can we use that A, B, C and alpha, beta and gamma? These are the corners of 3 different edges. Suppose we are taking as A, B and C. These 3 edges are, this edge is known as A, this is for B and this is for C. You have to remember a specific corner notification for A, B and C. Enter between angle. Between B edge and C edge there is a corner of alpha. Between A and B there is a corner of gamma, and A and C there is a corner of beta. These 6 parameters are used for the identification of a simple cubic cell or a simple unit cell. These points are known as lattice points. Lattice point can be any atom, any ion or molecule. This point can be atom, ion or molecule. These all lattice points are may be perpendicular to each other or may not be perpendicular to each other. There is a possibility of variation of angle in hexagonal shape. Suppose the angle between two edges will increase to 120. In another, the corner is below 90. So all the lines may be perpendicular or may not be perpendicular with each other. But when you connect this lattice point by any line, you will see one specific figure, and that figure is known as unit cell. Okay. Now, types of unit cell: primitive and centered. Primitive and centered. In primitive unit cell, there is only presence of atom on the corners. Only corner will contain atom, ion or molecule. This figure is known as primitive unit cell. But in centered unit cell, the atoms are present on corner as well as another locations like planes or edges. Means other than corner, molecules, atom or ion is present, which is known as centered unit cell. In this centered unit cell, there are three types. One is BCC, that is known as body centered. Another type is FCC, phase centered, and the third type is end centered. This is the short form of body centered and phase centered. There is no short form for end centered unit cell. In body centered unit cell, the molecules or atoms are present on corner as well as one molecule is present in the middle of a simple cubic cell. This is the simple cubic cell. In this center, there is another molecule which is present, is known as BCC, body centered. Phase centered, there are 6 faces or planes are present in FCC. So 8 corners are there and 6 faces are there. So you can define this FCC as atoms are present on every corner as well as every faces becomes face centered. And in end centered, there is a presence of an atom on every corner and the atom is present in the pair of faces, one face and the another face. Both the molecules are on opposite direction and the 4 planes are plane. So we can draw these. These 8 corners as well as one molecule is present in the middle of a unit cell. This is called BCC. In another figure, eight corners atom present and the pair of 2 molecule which is present on the opposite side of each other, means these two faces can accommodate atom, molecule or ion, and these four planes are blank. This is known as end-centered. And when these all molecules are present, 1, 2, 3 and 4 on your side, that becomes face-centered unit cell. So this is the main type of primitive and centered unit cell. Centered unit cells are further divided into three major parts: body-centered, face-centered and end-centered. Now we are going to calculate number of atom present in unit cell. Now after the types of unit cell, now you have to calculate number of atoms present in unit cell. Keep in mind that when you see the word corner, you have to multiply by 1 by 8. When you see word edge, you have to multiply by 1 by 4. And when you see word face, you have to multiply by 2. Corner 1 by 8 means once sphere is cutting into 8 equal parts, 4 parts on upper side and 4 parts on lower side. When you see face, this is one plane. Suppose this is one wall and we fitted that sphere in between the wall. So this half end is on outer side and this half end is on inner side. So when the face is present, you have to multiply by 1 by 2. When the edge 1 by 4 and corner is 1 by 8. So our first calculation, which is based on simple cubic cell. The definition of simple cubic cell, or you can say primitive cell. The definition of primitive cell is atom is present on every corner. The number of corner is 8. So number of atom present in primitive cell is equal to 8 corner. When your word is corner, so you have to multiply with 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. The simple calculation for simple cubic cell. For second, body-centered cell. The definition of body-centered cell is atoms are present on every corner as well as one molecular ion is present in the middle of a whole cube. So according to the definition, the number of atoms in corner is equal to 8 corners are there. We have to multiply by 1 by 8. So the number of atoms in corner is 1. And number of atom in a center of cell is equal to 1. There is a whole molecule which is present in body centered. So the total number of atoms present in body centered is 2. Total number of atom is equal to 2. In simple cubic, 1. Body centered cell, 2. And for third category, face-centered unit cell. According to the definition, face-centered means 8 corner containing 8 atoms and 6 planes containing 6 another atoms. So, number of atoms in corner is equal to 8 corners are there and you have to multiply by 1 by 8. Answer is 1. And according to the definition, number of atoms in phases, total 6 phases are there and you have to multiply by 1 by 2. Your answer is 3. So total number of atom in FCC is equal to 4. This is the standard values for these 3 major types of cubic cell, and you can remember by one song that 1 to ka 4, 4 to ka 1. The simple 1 body centered, 2 face centered, 4. So we can say 1 to ka 4, 4 to ka 1. You know the song very well. This is the basic and the simple theory for number of atoms present in unit cell. In further discussion, we are going to discuss closed pack structures. Closed pack structures considered in a 3 different variations: 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. In a 1 direction closed pack structure, we can see the arrangement of molecule in a linear motion. All atoms are connected with each other and moving towards in a single direction. So you can see the shape as linear. In this closed pack structure, you have to remember the coordination number of every atom or molecule. What do you mean by coordination number? Coordination number means without the terminal atoms, see, without these 2 terminals atom, in between these 5 molecules or atoms are present, you taking this atom as a standard. So this center atom is attached with these 2 atoms. So the coordination number of this marked sphere is 2. You cannot calculate these terminal positions atom as a marked atom or your center atom. So the coordination number is 2 and the shape is forming is a linear. In 2 dimension, closed pack structure have a 2 different cases. The molecules are arranging in a similar way that one molecule is based on another molecule. This pair is on upper side and on horizontal side. This all layers pattern is same. So we can say that the AAA type pattern, A type pattern of layer. In another case of two dimension, the first layer is same as the AAA type, but the second layer is slightly distorted from its original position. So this first layer is same as AAA type, but the second layer is in a depression positions of first layer. The first layer is A type, third layer is A type, fifth, seventh, ninth odd numbers are considered as A type, and 2, 4, 6, 8 even numbers are taken as B type. So the pattern of layer in this second case is AB types of layer. Now in a one direction you see the coordination number is 2. In this both cases these all are on terminal position, outer side. So you can assume this as a center atom, and these four molecules are directly in a contact with each other. So you can connect these four molecules like this. So you will get the planar square shape. In one dimension you will see linear shape in this planar shape, and the coordination number is equal to 4 because this center atom is directly in a contact with 4 molecules or atom. In the second type you considered this marked sphere, you will see that this atom is directly connected with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 molecules. So you can connect these all 6 molecules in this way. So the shape is hexagonal shape and coordination number is equal to 6. These both cases are in a same category of two dimension close packed structure. When the type of pattern is AAA, then your shape is square and coordination number is 4. And when your type of layer is AB type, then the structure you will get in a hexagonal shape and the coordination number of this hexagonal shape is taken as 6. Now our third one, three-dimension structure. You see the basic arrangement of two layer is the same as a AAA type, but the third dimension is the layer is on front side of you as well as the back side of this layer or this blackboard. You can widely use this third dimension. So we can show this type of third layer which is behind from this layer. the terminal position these four molecules considered as square planar. The center of these behind layer molecules, these 3 points are connected with each other, and you will see one simple cubic structure. In this 3-dimensional structure, the pattern of layer is AA type. The shape is simple cubic shape structure. And what is the coordination number, which is not given to you in your textbook, but you see the AAA type, this AAA type is already discussed. The 4 coordination number is there. Now you have one possibility to increase the layer from upper side and lower side. So another 2 molecules are attached with the center atom. So the coordination number for this is also 6 in 3-dimension structure. Okay, thank you.